8 p.m. (11 a.m. Sunday). Not a leaf moving on the trees. First outer band of Beryl should be here about 3 o'clock, and it is now 11 o'clock. It's 1:30. Skies are getting black. I guess that's the first outer band. Ten minutes to 2. First rain is here. It's 5:30 p.m. Sunday, and it's so still. There's a few leaves at the top of those trees moving, but it's so calm. (8 p.m.) 9:20 Monday morning. We just lost power, and it's not even that windy. Sorry, y'all, I'm not Jim Cantor. I'm not going outside to be in it. Getting with it now, y'all. Should be getting close to the eye, which is right before the eye is the most intense. And the wind has been pretty strong, but not horrible. I don't know. Oh, that piece of tin is from across the way. Lovely. Oh, it's pretty calm now. It's about 1 o'clock. We're in the eye of the storm. Wind's not really blowing much. And as you can see, these two yahoos are in the backyard munching away like nothing's wrong. Everybody in the barn's fine. All the chickens are fine. Probably gonna eat cucumbers I've put in the compost pile. He's a goober. You got some practicing to do before you can do dirty dancing. Twitch it.
Have they reported anywhere else where there's down trees?
Somewhere on Base Chapel. And then there's one on 1791 and 149 that's got power lines on the road.
Well, that's what I told him, and he said he came from 149. But he was asking they have equipment on the way if there was anywhere else that had trees
So
down.
your dad said your switch popped on your
This
pole.
is not power.
Oh.
This is county, Montgomery County.
Oh, well, I don't know. We haven't been out and
I
about.
didn't know if anybody had said on Richard.
I don't know.
Okay.
Wait.
All right.
onto the big one. go on that side. Over. Just a minute.
Hopefully you keep dragging it, it'll roll off to that side over there.
Well, it's closer to this side.
It's got too many damn knobs on it for me to roll it by hand.
Okay. Alright. Watch out. Cutting some of the knobs, as he referred to them, off, so hopefully they could roll it out of the road.
I had the wheels cut for a reason. Whole steering wheel. Nice hook. Hook forward.
Now straighten out.
Break the wheels out though. Oh, she's gonna get the ball hung in the truck. She's got the ball hung in the tree and it's gonna whoop up over the back end.
Just go and come with her.
Pull forward.
Then you go to the far side of the tree and just slide it off.
She's dropping the mirror. Just put you in the same spot.
His hand signals are very confusing.
They're sign language.
Do you think if we went and tied a strap at the other end and just pulled it straight, it would straighten it out on the side of the road?
It would swing this back out in the road. It's gonna pivot on its axes. There you go.
Pivot.
One second.
Go forward a little bit, pop it.
She said, "Hiya! Mash the motor." What did I do?
Oh, there we go.
Watch that post.
Watch the post.
Watch the post.
Now you gotta push on the other end.
What?
Now you gotta push on the other end. All these idiots out here in the
People
middle.
can't see that there's a tree on the side of the road. They don't need to be driving.
Yeah, because then they might go, oh, well, these people are the ones who pulled it out.
See, they'll ricochet off out and just push it.
How am I gonna get the other way?
You just need to.
It isn't going to
I'll let him. I'll just
Yes, let
let it be.
Yeah.
Let it be.
You've been married for 4,500 years. It's okay.
500 years. That's a long.
4,500.
45.
4,500
It's even worse. Oh
Yeah.
no.
They ain't killed each other yet. It'll be all right. Every day is a year.
Every year is 100 years.
I hope she leaves this audio on here.
Pull forward.
She listens to it like.
Behind the come, this would have been you, Tom.
Do what?
If behind the come, this would have been you, Tom.
Yeah.
Keep going.
All the way. Go again. Bam. Go again.
Yeah, one more time.
Mash the motor.
Hey. And that's a wrap.
Are we done?
We are. You think I can stop it?
I guess so. You can pause it.
Pause. Looks like there's something out down there.
Well, this right away goes down there and then
It turns. I
goes
know,
to
but
the
it
old
looks like
fire
there's
station.
some kind of piece of equipment